Hi, thanks for partnering with Palate Club. I'm here just to take a couple of minutes to explain to you how this works. First, there should be a red and a white flight that have already been decided upon and tasted through by our sommeliers and then input into our algorithm. You don't have to worry about any of that, it's just an FYI. Do keep in mind that when a customer orders a flight, that it should be served blind. In other words, be careful not to reveal what the wines are until the guest has actually tasted through all of the wines. Also, do be mindful about the order of the wines, as it does correlate with our rating system. So, a guest orders the blind tasting flight, either red or white. Next, instruct them to go to palate.club on the browser on their cell phone. Keep in mind that this is not www.palate.club or palateclub.com or palate.com. It's palate.club. From there, they can select your wine bar on the menu, enter in their personal details, name and email address. And then finally, they will be instructed to choose either a red or a white flight. The screen looks like this. Next, they'll be led to a screen that has 5 stars next to each wine, 5 through 8 or 1 through 4, depending on their flight. And they can rate each of the wines on a scale of 1 to 5 based on their own personal preference. After they submit their ratings, this is when the real fun starts to happen. Each of the users gets a personalized palate profile that tells them what they like and why. So not only do you get this really great screen with alcohol, oak, tannin, etc., you also get a series of classic wines that might correlate to their tastes. For you, this can be a really useful tool to suggest another bottle or glass of wine for the user, especially if you have regulars, wine lovers that want to learn more about their palate, or even inexperienced wine drinkers that just want to learn a little bit more about what they like. In addition to the palate profile, we have a special relationship with all of our partners to incentivize anyone that helps a guest convert into a Palate Club member. So, if the user's excited about this and they want to start receiving wines customized to their palate profile, simply tell them to hit next. They'll first receive a summary screen that reveals all of the wines they tasted, and then finally become a member, which will lead them to a screen that leads them through their billing and shipping information. That's it. We hope that this is easy and fun for you, that you enjoy selling the flights, and that you are rewarded with lots of guests that convert to Palate Club members. Enjoy. Cheers.